Here's the latest Corvette in it, unique, especially in classics. And it's a beauty. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 model, so it's a fixed roof coupe. Of course, a 5.7 liter, 405 horse version of it underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Black on black with the Z06 interior. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Best thing about this car is the story. This is a one-owner car, clean Carfax, well-maintained, adult-owned and driven car in very nice shape. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. And as you can see from the nose cone on this, very clean, free of much of any rock chips, nicks, dings, or scratches. So paint shows well on this one. Of course, riding on the aluminum Z06 chrome-plated wheels. Big brakes up front. Also, miles on this car, a low mile example, under 13,000, like 12,857, I believe it's going to say. When we check out the interior, take a look at that, start it up, let you hear it run. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The car also comes with the owner's manual, window sticker. You'll be able to see a picture of the RPO codes in with the still pictures, so you can see exactly how this car is loaded. Would have been over 52,000 brand new back in 04. Does have the memory package added to it with electrochromic mirrors. Does have active handling, 342 gears, as well as a lot of the stock goodies that you would get on the Z06. Heads-up display, AM, FM, CD player, of course, electronic climate control. And again, you can see up and down the driver's side, also free of much of really any nicks, dings, or scratches. Be able to check out the still pictures of the trunk. There's the inflator kit that is still in there, and the license plate cover up front. Of course, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, Bose stereo. Heads-up display controls on the left. Of course, driver's information center over here on the right. There's electronic climate control, AM, FM, CD player. You can see the dash. Everything as you would expect for a car with this kind of miles. Speaking of which, let's look at exact miles. There it is, 12,857. May change just a little moving around our showroom floor. Stored indoors here. Not really noticed any modifications done to this either. Looks stock underneath the hood. Sounds good. Let's take a good close look at these seats also. As you can see, typical, just your, how would you say, leather, how it wrinkles just naturally, getting in and out. Very nice condition as far as the interior. Seating area, dash, steering wheel, really everything on the interior, just what you'd expect for that kind of miles. Slip around to the rear of the car. There's that 405 horse V8. Nice little rumble. Of course, these do get up and go. This would have been the big dog in 04. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, let you check out this engine bay, see how nice and tidy that is, and we'll finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, first off, take a look at the hood liner. You can see this thing has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Nice and clean. Speaking of clean, look at this engine bay. Smooth running. High horsepower, 5.7. And again, AC blows cold, everything in working order. Get a good look. Fun performance car for the money, no doubt about that. And best of all, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low miles, nicely equipped. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there. Check out the still pictures, check out the window sticker. And remember, we do consider trade financing is available. We can sure assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.